Hello, my name is Sofia Haglund. I work at NGI Stockholm, and this is the tutorial video for downloading your sequencing data from the storage system Grus to your own server. That is any other than an UPMAX server. If you wish to download your data to an UPMAX server like Bianca or Rakam, there is another walkthrough video which uses another simpler method that we recommend. You have submitted a sequencing project to NGI and you have got an email saying that your data is ready to be downloaded, like this. The email could look slightly different. If you need more help, you can click on these links provided in the email, where you can find such information as how to set up the two-factor authentication. To access the data, you need a super account, a SNCC agreement, and to be a member of the delivery project. What is relevant for your download is this, the delivery ID. There are several ways to download this data, but for this video I will use SFTP. SFTP stands for SSH File Transfer Protocol, and the command line program using this protocol is the client Secure File Transfer program, which is used to transfer files between remote and local servers. So if you have a project to be downloaded to an UPMAX server like Bianca or Rakam, we recommend using a specific download method that is covered in another video. Since we most definitely are dealing with large amounts of data, please make sure you have enough space on your disk. I would also suggest downloading in a screen. A screen is a terminal session where you can run processes independently of other sessions, so if you close it, the program will still be running and you can detach and attach to it without interrupting the downloading process, which is useful here since the download will probably take some time and then you can work on something else. So we enter screen, S, and then you can name the screen whatever you want. I'll choose the project name. To get help for using a screen, you can type man screen to see the manual. So we connect to Grus using SFTP. We type username, delivery ID at grus.upmax.uu.se. Then we enter our password, immediately followed by the 6-digit code you get from your two-factor authentication for UPMAX. So if we type ls, we can see our data folder. Then we type get R to download the data recursively, which is the folder and all its files, and then the delivery folder. Now the download is complete and we can exit SFTP by typing bye. It's best to check the integrity of the downloaded files, which I will do using the program MD5Sum. This to make sure that the data is not corrupt and that the data is complete. So MD5Sum is a program that inspects and verifies MD5 files by a calculation method. So first we type ls, and we see that we have our data here. Then to find the MD5 files, we enter find name, the folder, and MD5. So we can see our files, and then we enter MD5Sum C, which stands for check and tells the program to read the files and check them, and the file name. And this might take some time. It's finished and we can see that these files are okay. So then we do the same thing for the second file, which is faster, and these are also okay. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you need further help, please look through the guides provided in the email or contact the NGI or UPMAC support. Thank you.